Okay, I'm sitting here with Matt, and it's June 11th, and I think we worked out the kinks and simplified things for uploading data the old-fashioned way. For those who have the sheets, the CSV sheets, send them into Matt, and he'll upload them. But I'm going to now walk you through. Um, and I'm sharing my screen now where I am going to minimize this. Hold on, so I can get to my desktop so everyone can see what's going on here. So here I've got the Qualtrics window up, and I've got all my observations from May 1st from the Oakland Cemetery. So what I did, we just did a test run and we were able to upload these three prior ones for a test. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you pretty much the cut and paste technique here in uploading this information. So what time of day is it? As you could see, it's 9:50 a.m. And what is the location? I'm going to say Julie's plot. The date of which we collected this data was May 1st, 2025. It's Oakland Cemetery, and it was cloudy that day. It was on the average 70 degrees, and I'm going to continue with the flora survey, not the pollinator survey. So I'm continuing on. What is the location of this plant? So I come back over to this window and I collect the details, and it's giving me the latitude. You see this latitude information down here. I'm going to copy and paste it for the GPS. The iNaturalist number, I'm going to collect this whole number up here, copy and paste. And the ID suggested name, I'm going to copy and paste this into this question number 10. And the number of plants that I saw is in my notes section, 5. And you see in notes, 5 only found in the disturbed areas, but I'm not going to add that extra information. And it has now thanked me for this recording. I'm going to hit the refresh button, and it takes me back to question number 1. So that is it. And then if you're wanting to enter a pollinator, then you click that and it will move you to the right screen. So just to give you an idea what that's going to look like. Now it's going to ask me for the location of that pollinator, what which type of pollinator group, and what is the life stage. And then you enter the iNaturalist number, the copy and paste. Says the suggested name. And you definitely want to click yes. I took this picture with a plant, hopefully. And if not, you say no. And hopefully let's say if I say no, if it doesn't no, it doesn't allow you to provide what you might have seen it on if it flew off. So I think this should be clear in as an example. Matt, is there anything that you want to
I,
add?
yes, I think it by we thought we were stopping redundancy, but what I did in the survey in the old version, it was actually confusing people by not deleting the old entries. So each time we make an entry, it goes back to the beginning and then it clears all the entries and you don't have to worry about that. And the other thing that I've noted is I have found Julie's entries. They have come in on the database, and so it's working correctly.
All right, and so just so that I made 25 observations that day, and you can see how quickly it went. It seems a little arcane to be entering data this way, but that's the best we can do at this point. If you want to do it this way, otherwise, Matt supplied that a CSV form. So
Hmm.
when you download the data from iNaturalist, reformat it into the form that the structure that he provided you, and then email it to him so he could upload it into Qualtrics. That, is there anything else?
That seems to be it. Yes, but I think this new portal makes it easier than using the CSV file, in my opinion. That's just
I think so too.
yeah.
All right, very good. Thank you so much,
Mhm.
Matt. You have a
You're
good rest
welcome.
of your day.
Thank you so much. Bye
Okay,
bye.
bye. Bye.
Bye bye.